Hello everyone, welcome to Miranda Detailing. So today I am sitting in our new vehicle. It's new to us. It's a 2011 Toyota Avalon. I know, it's not a fancy car. It's nothing that special, but to us, this is one of our favorite cars. Truly an underrated vehicle, the Toyota Avalons. Among having amazing safety features and everything, the car itself is extremely comfortable, extremely reliable. It's just an all-around awesome car. We've had older ones in the past, and finally we got ourselves a newer one, and it's really been an awesome vehicle. We've had it for about 2 weeks now. So the only thing I have done to it is exterior wash and clay bar, and then that's just about it. That's all I've had time to do. So today I want to do kind of our full interior detail on it. It doesn't need much. I got WeatherTech mats, which are huge lifesaver because they cover the entire area. If you know WeatherTech, that's what they specialize in, is perfectly cut mats to go to your specified vehicle. So I got the front ones, the back one, and so far they're holding up great. So the one thing I do want to show you is, you know, we got it from a dealership, and they said that they detailed it, and I'm not knocking the dealership because the dealerships know how to sell cars. They did a great job. They gave us a great loan, great warranty, all that stuff, but you know, they just lack in cleaning the vehicle properly and everything else that goes with it, detail wise. So let me just show you a few little things that, you know, as a detailer, I notice. So even here in the dash, in those little spaces right there, that was there when we got it. And here was, you know, it was clean. This is just from 2 weeks of us using it. But yeah, that especially we noticed. And then just other little things. The leather needs to be cleaned. The dash, I'm going to try to kill that sheen that's on there. I know some vehicles, the plastic is just naturally shiny, but I really don't like that because it puts off a glare, and I want that dash to be as matte as possible. But just little things, you know, the dirt and dust and gunk that kind of gets caught in all the little areas. This area always bugs me. I like to keep that area really nice and clean in there with the stick shift. But as you see, the WeatherTech mats are great, and they already have about 2 weeks of usage. The carpets are really light, but I don't believe, I think when I put the mats in here, the WeatherTechs, the carpets were already pretty clean, but we'll take a look at them. And then the leather, of course, needs cleaning. Again, not horrible, just needs some deep cleaning to get rid of some of that surface grime and oils and things like that. It's not going to be a dramatic effect, but just to kind of show you what I like to do with my own vehicle to get the interior cleaned up. Now here, you know, little things like this I notice because I like to clean these areas. You can see that little bit of gunk in there. I know it's small, but I just don't like it. I want this area to be clean. A lot of customers may not even notice it, but I do. So it's those little things that we're going to touch up and make look nicer. So I'll make another video showing the outside and some of the work that we're going to do. This thing has a lot of different defects on it, but that's for another video. Let's go to the interior. Okay guys, so that is it. That is everything cleaned up in the inside. Now I'm not going to go crazy with steaming and extraction. It's really actually good as it stands, but I wanted to get all those little areas, the seatbelt buckles and the cup holders and all those little areas. Excuse me, my phone is going off. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Please like, please share the video with others who may enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.